guys, today we're gonna be doing a Bloxburg roleplay. So let's get started. What problem? This new house is kind of weird, but kind of small. This is the Anyway.
I hate the alarm.
Maybe.
Never mind, guys. There's no alarm. Sorry. What the flip?
Mommy, what do you want? I'm just taking my sleep. Is any of you guys gonna wake up? I'm turning this off. Guys. Hello?
What?
Hello? Wake
What?
up. You have to get ready for the day.
Mom, literally, I don't want to wake up.
You're gonna wake up. Oops. You will be waking up.
I really don't want to wake up, Mom. But Mom.
Go brush your teeth.
Mom, but Mom.
Oopsie. Okay, it's fine. We're just eating night alarm. We're waking up. Come on. Inside.
Oh my God, I found you here.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast, okay?
Okay. Oh yeah, Sissy's there. The sleepover.
Oh yeah, she said she's gonna come back tomorrow. She's gonna take forever. Oh, it looks like a beautiful day outside. Hopefully it stays like that. Let's see what we can eat. Guys, what do you want to eat?
Oh, I wanna eat.
I'll make bacon and eggs and a garden salad. And you're gonna eat the salad, okay?
Okay.
Because they never actually eat the salad. It's mostly just me. Oh wow, this salad is amazing. Especially beef. But they only mostly like the bacon and eggs. I don't know why.
This is so boring. And Mom only gonna be caring about that stupid baby.
What'd you say? Did I hear something?
What, Mom?
I had to say something.
Yeah, I was just talking about how since it's gonna take so long at the damn sleepover. I wish she never went.
I know. But you know, she said she's getting old enough to be doing stuff.
Hi, Jen.
Here's the thing that baby can just eat. Because we just moved at this house. They barely have anything we need here.
Yeah, true.
They really gotta fix this place. What's that? And I also need to make baby food.
This thing
The
is so
baby kind of
tiny.
likes salad. I mean, Amber kind of likes salad. By the way, the baby's name's Amber, okay?
Okay.
What's your name? He said, the baby's name's Amber. I'm going to be Tom. And what are you going to be?
I'm gonna be Mia.
Okay. Mia, are you done?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, yeah, you can go watch TV.
Really, Mom?
Actually, go eat your breakfast. And then you can watch TV. What do you want? What?
Mom, the baby. Bro, shut
Why are you? No, tell your baby sister to shut up. Now it's fine.
I'm hungry.
I'm making breakfast. Don't you smell it?
Duh, duh. Mom, is that what Amber eats?
Yeah, it's baby food. Are you done?
I'm not done, but.
It's baby food. Now take out your sister.
Ugh.
First, I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay. I'm done brushing my teeth. So let's take a shower.
That's really so good.
Basically, I'm getting ready for the day.
Why are you staring at me?
Yeah.
Why are you staring at me? Why are you staring at me?
What are you doing to your sister? Leave her alone.
She's staring at me.
No, she's not.
She just looked away.
I don't know why you were so dramatic. But, have to give me the dirty plates, okay?
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, thank you. And you. Okay. Now, can you turn on the news?
Mom, why are you telling me to turn on the news?
Just turn on the news. What's it say?
Okay. Today is a bad There's gonna be a tornado.
What? Wait, what time is here?
Might hit a tornado.
No, that's not what.
It's hitting right. It's hitting right at Turkey Blocks and Blocks Boogie City. Make sure to get everything you need before it starts.
No, this is fake, right?
No, Mom. News are never fake.
No, this has to be a trick. They must be pulling a prank.
And the tornado is going to be really hard. It can take up all of your buildings.
Wait, what?
And it's hitting right at Turkey Blocks City. Once you get everything you need, it's gonna stop in. It's gonna stop
I'm
in.
turning this off.
It's gonna stop in 3 days.
3 days?
Yeah, it's supposed to say 3 days, but you stopped it.
You know, come. We need to go to the grocery store.
No. It said it's gonna be happening in 3. No, it's gonna end in 3 days.
So what's gonna happen?
It's gonna start. Oh yeah, remember it's right, guys. Just pretend it said it's gonna start in 1 hour. We better get in the car.
Yes, we're gonna get in the car.
Wait, Mom, you're leaving me. Mom, help us.
I don't know what to do.
Mom, be careful.
And the roads are really slippery. Whoa.
Why do I feel like the tornado is already happening?
Are you sure?
I don't know. I'm so scared.
Why is the car just floating?
Ah!
Is the car jumping or something? I'm gonna drive a bit slow before I get sweet. Did you hear when it's gonna happen?
Yeah, it says it's gonna start. It says it's gonna start in 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. No, not 2 hours. 1 hour. And it said it's gonna end in 3 days.
Okay, just start now. This is not good. I don't
Mom.
care where we're not allowed to park right now. I don't even care if I get a
Mom.
parking ticket.
Mom.
Just car.
Mom,
What? Oh.
it's just our luck. And hope our luck is a good one. Cause I know if
Where are you going? The grocery store's up here.
I know if we're gonna if you're gonna die or not.
I really hope we're not gonna die.
I hope not too. Get out for you ugly brat.
This will be that that's not gonna be really good. Can you go this way? It's fine.
Mom, don't think I'm holding that baby.
You're gonna hold the baby. Come here. Or you can put the baby in the car.
Why am I? Don't.
The baby. The baby's on the floor. And put her in the car.
You should put her in the car.
Yes.
Where you stink, baby?
Oh, I forgot to take my shower.
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Oh, I forget. Nice on beans. You know I love beans. I know I swear hates beans.
Because they make you fight.
At least they're good for you. Especially the black beans.
Mom, I think I don't know where the car is.
What do you mean? Because when you're running in random places, just don't move. You're gonna get lost.
Yeah, I know where the car is now. I found the stairs.
This is so not good. Okay, I bought all the stuff we need.
No.
Come on. Are you gonna get in?
Yeah. So, Mom, do you think it's gonna hit us? No, it's gonna. It said it's hitting our city.
Yeah, that's not good. So we're going to Burger King. Just like your life Burger King ever. Actually, we're not gonna die. We're not gonna die. Just say we're not gonna die. We're not gonna die, right?
Yeah, we're not gonna die. Yeah.
Be quiet.
You shouldn't have said that. That's a
No, we're
baby.
not gonna die. I just told her we're not gonna die. Yeah, we're not gonna die. We're still gonna die. It says like it's strong enough to take people's houses. We go to Pizza Planet.
Yeah, and it says it's the strongest tornado that ever happened in this country.
Strongest.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I mean, this is the first time that we just moved countries.
It's like the mega tornado.
Because this is going to be our first tornado ever. I mean, except for like 30 years ago. I lived in this tiny house with my parents, yeah?
Mhm.
And basically there was a tornado and it blew our house away.
Yeah,
We were
and
homeless.
you know
And
what?
my parents died and then I got a house.
And then we should have stayed in England.
Yeah, probably.
Cause this place, nah, not
Are you
safe.
gonna leave the baby? Or are you coming with me? Hello, I need a pizza.
Okay. We're closing soon.
Can I at least have a pizza?
Yes, you can have a pizza. Just be patient. There's someone in line you're gonna break.
No, we do not want to die, so that's not our problem.
Do you want a soda?
Yeah.
Wait, let me make the soda.
I don't care. I'm not waiting for you.
Hey, that one was not ready. It's still. Oh my god, bro.
I don't even have this over. Come on, let's eat.
Hey, you don't pay for it.
I'll pay after. Or I can pay after I die. We don't even know if we're gonna die. I didn't get the baby pizza. Because because that bacon and eggs that were so tiny, they barely filled me up.
But if that belly fills you up
Yes,
Wait.
that's why I'm ordering pizza.
Eh.
And maybe a Big Mac out of here.
Oh,
Anyway,
I know why you're so proud.
come on, believe in.
No, wait, I need to eat my pizza.
I'll pay you next year, okay?
Oh, not next year. I don't even think I'll be alive next year.
Ah, so you're 99? Whatever.
Shut up. Because of the tornado.
Wait, I'll pay you. Just wait.
But I'm leaving that thing. Mom, where are you?
I'm outside. Oh my god! It's already happening. It's so cold.
Oh yeah, I said it was a cold tornado. Cold tornado.
It's literally snowing. Oh my god. Just get in the car. We're literally gonna die. If you don't make it.
Mom, I know I'm the right seat. I need to sit in the front.
It's weird, okay? I'm gonna stop it for you to literally go and sit in front. I think I know where the house is. The joke so far. I just can't know where the house is.
Mom, I'm literally so scared.
Don't be scared.
Mom. Oh yeah, I set a timer, and now it's 30 minutes to the tornado.
What?
30 minutes.
I don't think I'm in the right way.
Yeah, I don't think we're going the right
No, I
way.
think I'm not. No, we're not. I think we are.
Oh yeah, it was a snow tornado.
Okay, we're not.
And there's 30 minutes, so you better...
It's a snow tornado. Back in my day, there was nothing called a snow tornado.
Yeah, duh. Nothing here was back in 1972.
I don't even know where are we. I don't even know where the city, what the city is. I think we live on Riverside, right?
Probably.
Hey guys, it's too glitchy. Literally that.
Mom, it's 30 minutes. Let's goodbye. In case we beat that.
We're not gonna die. I know it.
Hope so. Hope that we're not gonna die because I don't wanna. No, get me out of this car.
Wait.
I need to say goodbye to everything.
Then you're not saying goodbye to everything. This baby. Do not say goodbye to everything because we're not gonna die. Okay?
What if we do?
Why not? If you say that, we will. Oops. Okay, now I'm giving this baby a bath because she's so smelly. What do we even do now? We're just gonna die. And we're not gonna die.
I'm so scared. What are we gonna
I don't know. What are you asking me?
do? You know everything.
Ah,
You said
you
mom.
said I knew everything.
You said mom knows everything.
Well, so what was your question?
Bruh, I forgot. I'm looking for you. Where the flip are you?
I'm upset at giving this stinky baby a bath.
I know. I think I pooped this pants in the car.
No, we didn't.
What the flip is the best?
I think we. That's fine.
That's not my room. That's not my room.
So what do we do to this baby? I think it's. So I'm assuming it's gonna be her nap time. I don't even know what to do.
I'm so scared. What the flip happened?
What happened to the lights?
I don't know.
Guys, did you hear that?
Mhm.
I heard something. What do we even do here?
Wait, mom.
This is the only place that has lights.
Mama said there's 10 minutes to the tornado comes.
Now what happened to the lights?
I don't know.
Maybe it's the snow.
True, you never know.
And it's really dark out.
I can barely see.
Stay with the baby!
Bro, the lights won't turn on.
Of course it won't turn on, you dummy.
I don't wanna.
Wait, let me go get some flashlights.
Mom, hope they're still on. We're gonna watch the TV. No, I don't want to watch you stupid news. Wait a minute. Wait, Mom. Every time I try to turn on the TV, I turned it on and it offed. Mom, you got the flashlight. Mom,
The flashlight. You take this one.
The TV. When I turned on the TV, it just turned off. And now we're on again.
Great! Now the TV won't turn on.
Mom,
Yeah.
the fire went out.
Maybe what to the... No. This is horrible!
I'm scared. Just need to learn.
So what do we even do
Mom,
now?
my flashlight. Oh, I turned it off. I can see.
What room should we stay in? Should we stay in the garage? I don't know. Or should we go upstairs?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
No, let's go upstairs to your room. It barely has any windows there.
Okay. Mom, take the baby.
Yeah.
And we close the door.
But this place is definitely not safe. Because there's literally a hole right there.
Yeah.
So what the fuck do we even do?
I don't know. Mom, the counting down to the tornado. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding. Oh.
Wait, we don't have food. Wait, I'll come back. We forgot to get food from our fridge.
Okay, Mom.
This is so not good. Like, why? Why? Of course this had to happen when it was just a beautiful day. What was that?
Ah! Mom, help me!
What?
I nearly
Get
fell
the
down.
food.
I nearly fell down. God, the tornado is actually happening now. I don't know. Why should it be this bad? I'm so scared.
Be quiet.
No, my phone, I'm too scared.
I'm bringing some Cheetos.
Seriously, Cheetos?
For snacks. Yes.
Oh my god.
And I'm also gonna get some Bloxier. 2 Bloxier. I'm also gonna take some. I think this is enough snacks. We can cut it here. Tell me to save the baby.
Sorry. The baby is sleeping anyways.
What do we even do now?
Ah! Mom, be careful not to drop those.
Oh, sorry.
Ouch! Mom, help me!
Come on.
I fell down the stairs. My leg.
See, I just lost all the food I just picked up. I think I lost all the food I just picked up.
Oh no.
I lost all the Cheetos, all the beans, I lost all the drinks. Oops. What do we even do?
I don't know, Mom.
It's not good at all. I'm just gonna take some beans.
Mom, you're gonna be farting in this room and I don't want to be in the same room that you're farting in.
So you want some?
No.
It's so good.
Fun just takes a little bit. Ah! Mom?
It tastes so good, right?
Yeah.
You can take some. I brought a whole.
Mom, can you help me turn on? Oh, never mind. I know how to turn on the flashlight now.
So what do we even do here? But stop.
Yeah, and I don't want to go outside, or else we'll just fly.
Yeah, and I'm not going. And I'm not going outside. You should know that I'm not going outside.
Mhm.
I brought a backpack of supplies.
Okay. Amber, Mom, why is Amber just like a toddler and she has long hair already?
I don't know. She's gonna have as long hair as long as Cinderella, maybe. I don't know.
And my hair, I'm super older than her, and my hair is so short.
Even I have longer hair than you. I don't know what's your hair. I think it's because of that dye that you put in your hair now it doesn't come off.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do for you. I mean, I literally told you not to dye your hair. But you still did. You didn't listen. Oh, look, a white light. So what do we do?
Mom, I literally don't know.
Yeah, good thing we don't have a window in here, but I might have to go out and see.
Mom, I see a spider.
Where? Where?
Down there. There.
Yeah, because this is the garage and there's kind of lots of spiders in here. What do we even do?
I don't know.
Guys, pretend it's been like 2 hours. I'm so like bored and I'm so tired. But there's no like other. There's only one place for one person to sleep.
Yeah.
So where is the other person supposed to sleep? Sweetie, was that you?
Yeah, because they're beans.
Ew! Even I ate more than you and I didn't do that. Sweetie! We have to evacuate right now.
What?
We're in this whole place and you literally...
Mom, don't you dare get the don't you dare get the infection spray.
Me and the baby's gonna go find the infection spray.
No!
Wait, can I got the infection spray?
Guys, this is so, oh my god. Like, bro, she literally, oh, because I thought that she got the infection spray.
That's not my problem, you stink.
I literally don't stink, Mom.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
So what do we do now?
I don't know.
We need to listen to the news.
But I'm not going back there.
No, I'm going.
There's like 1.5 billion windows there.
And even the door is like... made out of windows.
Help me.
What?
I'm falling.
The windows are closed.
The volcano and the tornado. Oh. Whoa.
Look, you can add lights.
Can I add lights?
Yeah, I placed the lights there.
I wish this damn TV will turn on.
Yep. Oh, I forgot. We can't even watch the news, so there's no need. I didn't even know I came here.
Mom, look like a great day, but there's actually tornadoes there.
Yeah, I know. But then, does that mean we can't cook?
You never know.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go get some Cheetos, okay?
Ah!
Why
Mom.
do you keep screaming every time I leave?
The tornado! Wow!
What tornado? Where are you?
I'm downstairs.
Why are you behind there? I've been telling you so many times not to go behind the stairs, and you still do it. How bad you are.
Sorry.
Guys, I lit the fire. I lit it with some with sticks. Look. Things back on. Back on.
Yay!
Come on, sit down.
Mom, just hope there's internet.
What do you mean?
Hmm? Yeah, I just turned off.
Where did baby get that from? How did she get those Cheetos? I didn't give her Cheetos. Give me those Cheetos. Now you can have them. That's why I don't give you Cheetos.
Too high.
Really? You literally dropped these delicious Cheetos on the floor.
Oh my
Want
god.
some Cheetos?
No. And one bad thing. She chewed it up and spat it on the floor.
There's a new bag of Cheetos. You want a new bag of Cheetos?
Yeah, sure.
I'll eat these then.
Mm.
We have more of them in the fridge. These Cheetos are so damn good. That's why I love Cheetos. The classic flavor. Wait, why does it look so beautiful outside?
Mom?
We're falling! Shake! Whoa! No! Hit my head on the table.
Ouch! Oh, my head. No, my chips fell.
Oh! Well, at least I was spat to them. Just continue eating them. The baby's standing up now.
They fell on the floor. I'm just gonna eat them all.
So what do we do now?
Bro, don't ask me, bro.
I mean, I was thinking we drive somewhere, but there's no houses we can just go to.
And plus there's a tornado.
Yeah, but we can still like go somewhere.
It could just pick our whole car.
But you know what I'm thinking? The tornado still. Oh yeah, that's what the tornado did the last time. They picked up our car.
Yeah, but good thing we went out of we jumped out of it. We hit our head, but then after a few years later we put a new one.
Yeah. I don't even know what to do with this baby, because I don't like him holding her. She doesn't even talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't talk.
Yeah.
You only cry, you yeah, and eat and throw stuff.
Yeah.
You can go back to sleep. Bye.
Go.
What?
I don't want to.
Then whatever. I'm turning on this music. It's horrible. Even though you may like it.
And the baby's not even sleeping.
Yeah, true. So what do we do then?
I
The
don't
baby's
know.
off. She can just sit down. Let's go to sleep. I'm feeling sleepy. Come on, sweetie, we're going to sleep.
Okay.
Oh, take the baby. Wait! You sleep with the baby. Oopsie, sorry.
Get me off you.
Take her.
Hey, baby. Get here. Baby. Yes.
I don't know why it looks so beautiful, but it's so cold out there.
Ah! Mom, the house shaking. I mean, up here shaking. Ah!
I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang,
All the is banging.
bang.
Stop it.
Mom,
You need to stop banging.
I fell down the stairs.
You are too dramatic.
Just need to calm down.
Baby, I'm gonna sleep. You heard me. You continue. No, that's not funny.
Mommy can't stop a baby from crying from like that.
Yes, you can. Shut up, you little piece of... Whatever.
Ah!
Why are you screaming?
Why are you jumping on me?
Me?
Yes.
I'm not jumping on you. I'm in my room.
No, you're not. I see you. Even my camera sees.
I'm in my room, sweetie. What you talking about?
Wait, you need to jump. You need to see close.
Do you mean that's the baby? That's Amber.
Ah! Oh.
That's
Hi.
Amber. And you're saying that's me? You know I wear different clothes than Amber. Amber wears clothes random.
What?
Stop.
Why the flip are you here? You're supposed to be in your crib. How you even get out?
I know when to sleep.
No, you're sleeping.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Guys, pretend I slept for 2 days.
I know we're gonna sleep for 2 days.
I could.
That's why I'm literally Mom.
Anyway, I do not want to sleep anymore. What time is it? I don't care about what the time is.
Mom.
Is tornadoes over? What is everything? I don't even remember what happened. Oh, hi, sweetie.
Mom.
Yeah.
Randomly, all of the toys are on the floor now.
What do you mean?
Like all of the toys in the room.
What did you do? Are you messing up the room or something?
No, it wasn't me, and it wasn't the baby. It wasn't the baby. I'm not hear a sound
Oh,
from
what
her.
do you mean?
You never know. It could be the tornado who dropped all of the toys on the floor.
Wait! The lights turned on.
Although the room is
Why did
nice.
you put all these toys on the floor?
I did not put them. I was sleeping the whole time.
Who put... Whatever. Oh my god.
Baby. I think we've been sleeping for like 2 days.
Yeah, me too, because the lights turned on. Why the flip are all these toys here?
I don't know.
They're making your room look messy.
Maybe can I go? Mom, you need to bath the baby. She's stinky.
Whatever. Should we go check how it is like outside?
Mhm.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's not that bad, right?
Yeah.
Well, anyway, today's school. So
Wait.
come on, we're getting ready. Come
Today's
on.
school.
Yes.
Ain't no way in school. Oh, great.
So the first day when the tornado was just about to happen, that was the day, and then that was the day when there was 3 days till school. Today's school. Go! Get ready. Give me the baby.
Wait, I'm gonna go put the baby in there. Oh, great. Oh, great. It's cool.
Let me guess the baby's in clothes. Let me look for some clothes for the baby today.
Just go to bath.
What should the baby be wearing? Oh. Baby. What was that? Hi. Hello, baby. Poo-poo. What? Poo-poo. Not yet. I'm looking for an outfit for you. Poo-poo. Okay, fine. Boo. 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 Wait. Okay. So what do you want to wear for the first day of school? Like, so you can take that outfit. What do you want to wear?
I want to wear. Yeah. So eat.
You want to wear so
Bikini. Bikini.
You're not going to wear a bikini.
Bikini.
You can't wear a bikini to school. Be quiet. No, I'll choose your outfit then.
Mommy.
What?
Pee-poo.
Really? Looks so cute in your outfit.
Mom, let me see how the baby looks.
Let's put a great jacket on it, okay?
Okay. You'll flip it there. Okay. Anyways, Mom,
Yeah.
you know how in school? Sis is still not back.
Oh, yeah.
Zoe's still not back.
Maybe she's going to go to school with her friends.
Hope so. Hope she packs some good clothes, especially school
Way better.
clothes.
You look so cute.
Let me see the baby.
Her outfit's so adorable. Okay, you need to stand. Look at her outfit. She's wearing brown bows in her hair. Her hair is in a ponytail. Her favorite color, hair tie. She has this. She has this gray jacket. She has a puffy skirt. She looks so cute. Yeah, she does. Come on,
Look
let's
cute.
go.
Wait, Mom. Need do my bed.
Yeah. She doesn't even need to eat breakfast because they only stay there for like 1 hour. So yeah. I'm just gonna get a quick snack. I don't get these are birthday cupcakes. This is fill me up. Come on, we're going to school.
Wait,
Oh,
Mom.
it's dark outside. Hopefully the tornado's not gonna continue. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and like.
3,
2,
1.
1.
Bye. Peace.